Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Integration, lecture 6. Don't be careless. Improper fractions with one factor. This is the topic of this lecture. Integration of improper fractions with one factor. So this is the improper fraction. If you observe the power of denominator and numerator, they have same powers. When the power of the denominator and numerator are same, the fraction is improper. And in this example, if you observe the power of numerator, it is greater than the power of denominator. Therefore, the fraction is still improper. So improper fraction is this fraction. The power of numerator is either greater or equal to the power of denominator. This means improper fraction. Here power is equal and here power is greater. So to integrate these types of fractions, we basically use remainder theorem. Here is the remainder theorem, and to use remainder theorem we use long division. This is the question: x square upon x plus 1, and I'm not going to discuss the method of long division. I'm just discussing these things. This is the remainder. This x square is dividend. This thing is quotient, and this is the divisor. You just need to substitute everything carefully into remainder theorem. And here is the remainder theorem. Quotient is here, remainder is here, divisor is here. So make sure you substitute everything correctly. So this is the quotient, remainder, divisor, dividend, divisor. Now by taking in sign of integral on both sides, we have integral is here, integral is here. This is simple integration. This will become x square upon 2 minus x. This will become ln x plus 1 plus c. That's it. This is over. So this is the way to integrate the improper fractions. First use long division and then substitute everything correctly and properly into remainder theorem. This is the remainder theorem. Then take sign of integrals on both sides and then integrate the function. It's very simple. Example number 2, and one of the most important example, because in this example we will use by parts first. So by using by parts, we have u ln x plus 1. This is dv dx. We always differentiate u to get du, and we always integrate v to get v, integrate dv to get v. Well, this is the by parts formula. Make sure you substitute everything correctly. This is u, this is v, this is v, and this is du. So we just need to apply limits here, and we just need to suppose this integral as I, because here we have to use long division because this is the improper fraction. So by considering this integral separately, we have this thing x upon x plus 1, and first we have to use long division. This is the long division method, and this is the remainder theorem. Now we can easily integrate this fraction because we have got the this remainder theorem form of the fraction. So this 1 will become x, this will become ln x plus 1. Make sure you write modulus with ln. Whenever you integrate functions of like this, always write ln modulus, because ln is always defined for positive values. Well, this is the simplified form of I. Now by substituting this I into equation 1, we have this entire thing. Now make sure you simplify these things carefully. This ln2 and ln2 will be cancelled. 2 ln3 minus ln3 will become ln3, and minus 1 is here. This is the way to do integration of improper fractions, which should be simple. Inshallah, I will discuss the leftover topics of integration in my next lectures, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.